Naman kasing maggawa ng table of values to graph the given kung gusto mo accurate, pero mas madali siya kasi basta may mga ways kasi to solve pag linear. Paano mag-graph ng madali. Anyways, siyempre kung ano yung nakalagay dito sa format, di yung gagamitin natin para magets nyo pa isa-isa. So pwede kasi siyang guys, y equals to mx plus b, gagawin mo lang siya nun. So bali may intercept ka, then meron kang slope. So alam mo yung guys, sabihin hindi ka na grade 7, hindi ka na grade anyways, so gagawin natin is kunin natin yung x and y intercept. So last time we already did that na. So how to find the x intercepts and y intercept. So basically, so to find x intercept, just let y equal to 0. So from the given, we'll be having 4 times x, or 4x minus 3 times 0 equals 12. Then solve for x na lang. So we'll be having 4x equals 12, and the value of x will become 12 kasi when you divide it both by 4, you're at 3 pala, mati. So 4 over 3 at 12 over 4 magiging 3. So from here, we'll be having 3 as the value of x, or the ordered pair will become 3, 0, because we let the value of y as 0. As for y intercept, just let x equal 0. So you'll be having 4, our x will become 0, then minus 3y equals 12. So same process. No, that is 12 divide 4. So kailangan pala isa-isayin ka pa rin, no? So we'll be having 0 minus 3y equals 12. So 0 pa rin naman to guys. So divide both sides by negative 3. So our variable y will become negative 4. Just remember the rules of signs when dealing with this kind of given. So our ordered pair will become 0 and negative 4. So remember, we let the value of x as 0. Then our negative 4 is the value of y when we substitute the value of x into 0. So from here, we can now graph this. So remember, when you do the graphing, if you find or get the x-intercept, you will get the point along with the x-axis. As for y-intercept, you will get the value of y-intercept, or the point in y-axis, on y-axis. So we have x-intercept, that is 3, 0. So 3 units to the right, then 0 units. Then from this one, so this is negative 4. So you will find it on the y-axis. So this is the 3, 0. And this is 0, negative 4. So remember guys, that's how you do that. So this is the straight line, the graph of this linear. So you can use that, yon, yung may pi. What is that?